Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. I'm your friend Robin and I'm back again with a new video. So guys, today I got a challenge from my friend. He told me to make maximum amount in the site focus bet. So let's see whether we are going to complete this challenge. So guys, every week I used to upload at least 3 to 4 videos on my site and I need you to go do share, subscribe and comment on my channel. So guys, let's start with the challenge. So guys, you all know this is the site focus bet and this is the game mines. This is our all-time favorite game. So guys, this is the balance I'm starting with, and today I'm going to play each bet of 3000 with a number of boxes 5. Let's try. Maybe this. Okay. This one. Great. Great. Maybe this one. Great guys, look, easy and simple process. Next. Okay, maybe this one. Great. Maybe the third one in the center. Okay, look, awesome. Today we are playing very smoothly and I'm sure we are going to complete this challenge. Great guys, look, within few seconds I place a bet of 3000. I made around 3x double, triple. So guys, seriously I'm enjoying. Okay. Okay. Great. No, 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 not like this, not like this, not like this. Guys, I'm losing continuously. No, but I will recover and I will make money. Still, I'm in profit. No need to worry. Okay, go. Today, I don't want to wait. I want money soon as possible. Go. No guys, no. Okay, maybe the second box, maybe this one, this one, this one. Fine for me. This one. Okay, this one, this one. Maybe the center one. Best. No. This center one is the most riskiest one. Seriously guys. No. We need to play wisely. Okay. Maybe this one. Guys. Okay, fine. We will play slowly. Then we will hit hard. Okay, maybe this corner. Okay, great. These bombs are very risky guys, very risky. Look, Look. Fine. Fine. I will hit hard. Okay. Great. For the best. And we need to keep calm and play. The center one is risky one. Let's try center. Okay. This one, maybe this one. No. Not like this, please. Okay, show me. Okay, great. Fine. Next round. Not like this. Okay. Guys, I need to play big now. Okay, with number of boxes 3. My best strategy. Okay. Even this strategy is not working, guys. Great. This one. I don't want any bomb, please. Okay. Maybe the center one. Great. This one. Not like this, please. Guys, now I'm playing really big. Hope for the best. 10,000 with number of bombs 3. Okay, great. One more, maybe this one. Okay, cash out. This one. Let's pick this one. I can't lose 10k. 10k, guys. Today my day is not great, guys. Okay. Maybe this one. Okay. This one. Maybe the center one. Great. Give me my money back. Give me. Okay. Open this box. This. One more, maybe this. Okay. Risky. We can't lose 10k now. Please. Great. this one, this one, maybe this. Please, 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 please. Great. Okay, maybe this one, this one, this one, this corner one more, maybe this corner. Great. Awesome. One more round I will play. Now I'm getting greedy. I want more and more money. Open this box. Maybe this one. Okay, let's try the center one, most risky one. Okay. This one, this one. I'm happy with 19k, guys. So guys, look my balance now. I made around 43k guys, 43k within 10 minutes, and I'm sure each one of you want to make this much of money. Guys, I'm happy, and I complete this challenge. That's all. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Go like my channel, like my page, do subscribe and comment on this video. That's all for today. Bye bye.